In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change iCloud backup settings on your iPhone. Knowing how to adjust these settings can be incredibly useful for managing your storage limits and ensuring that only the data you want is backed up to iCloud. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, we need to open up your iPhone's settings. You're probably familiar with this app. It's the grey icon with gears on it. Once you open settings, look up towards the top of the screen and you'll see your name displayed there. Tap on your name to proceed to the Apple ID menu. This step is crucial because it's where all your iCloud settings and other account options hang out. Now that you've entered the Apple ID menu, you should see an option labeled iCloud. Go ahead and tap on it. This section is the hub of everything related to your iCloud services, from photos to app data, and it's where we'll make our adjustments today. Moving forward, scroll down and find the option that says Manage Storage and give it a tap. After that, you'll see another menu. From here, tap on Backups. This is the area where you can view all the backups related to your devices. If you have multiple devices, they'll all appear here. So you'll want to select your iPhone from this list. Make sure you identify the correct backup. It will often have the name of your device or the date of the last backup. Once you've clicked on your specific iPhone backup, you're presented with various options and data related to your current backup. Here you have control over the apps you want to include or exclude in your iCloud backup. This is really handy if you're mindful of your storage space and only want to back up essential apps and data. You'll see a list of apps with toggle switches next to them. Simply switch them on or off depending on your preference. If an app is set to on, it means its data will be backed up to iCloud. Conversely, setting it to off means its data won't be included in your next backup. It's essential to remember that toggling off certain apps could mean losing some of that app's data if you ever need to restore your iPhone from a backup. We recommend checking which apps take the most space and deciding if they truly need to be backed up. Sometimes apps like social media platforms don't need to be included because they already store data externally. Once you've made all your adjustments, simply exit the settings. Your changes are automatically saved, so there's no need to worry about losing them. That's it! By taking the time to customize your iCloud backup settings, you're not only optimizing your storage, but also ensuring that your data is secured exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.